walk around this parking lot all night. And I'll post it on the Bay County Forum and let you see it. You won't even tell. You can't even see it in my hand.
See, put the dent down.
That's right. That's right. It's a little bit bigger than this.
Nah, man. Smaller than the handle.
Y'all gonna race? Race.
I'm ready, just in case.
I got you.
You got me, all right, man.
I got you. He's too fast for me.
Yes.
What's up? Talking about her bike. She said she getting port and polish done to her bike.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
That's what she just told me.
Port and polish him rim.
I'm waiting for Jordan to come polish my rim.
She said,
For real.
He said port and polish rim.
I'm getting Edward. Oh, did you think I was paying?
What up, man? Hey. Mr. Hide and Seek. What's up, girl? I ain't seen you forever.
Yeah.
You alright? Okay, alright. What's up, man?
What's up, man? Doing alright?
How you doing, man?
Hell yeah.
Looking good, man.
Can't complain. Don't ever do any fucking good anyway.
What up, man?
What up, dude? It's 360. Doing what you
Nah. I usually always have it on my...
filming all this illegal
How you doing?
shit. I left my GoPro at home, sir. I'm not recording.
Well, I usually...
Just trying to put everybody on camera. Acting like he knows.
You just
everybody,
got my
friendly with
fucking
everybody
hand
and
on
shit.
my-
Damn, who's VRZ? That thing is super nice.
Yeah, stretch.
What year
Look
is
at
that?
That thing is super nasty.
It's fucking stretched too.
Oh, Puerto Rican guy.
Yeah, one of them.
You know it.
It is.
It looks good. Oh, that's my homeboy.
Yeah,
That's
your
right.
old lady said what's up.
I just talking to him. Yeah, I know who it is. He told me when I think Brandon just bought it. Then he bought a swing arm for it, and he had the swing arm powder coated. It looks good. Or he bought the block.
It's like, yeah.
It looks good, man. I would never stretch it.
No, it's a
DRZ,
DRZ.
you're
Why
not
would
gonna
you
go this
stretch
fast
it?
anyway. But
That's like the whole thing. It's racing the air bikes. It's not really a dirt bike, but
I would like to put just regular dual-purpose tires on it.
yeah, a buddy of mine, his daughter, she got screwed in
Nick's? Down for Nick's? Nick's Pizza?
Oh, hell yeah.
Nick's Pizza? Nick's? Where y'all headed? Y'all down for Nick's?
We're going slice.
Okay, alright. Y'all down for Nick's? You know who Nick is. You know, baby. You know Nick, don't lie. Nick's? Y'all down for Nick's? Nick's Pizza? The pizza joint? Right there. Front beach, middle beach. Oh, you're not fool, man. Gusano. Gusano. Baby.
Yeah. We ride to there and then we just.
What's up? You ready to stretch the busa?
I'm into it, but make it louder. This is too quiet.
Man, I like it, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You seen the super busa they come out with?
Yeah.
Super nasty.
How many? What is it? How many?
370.
I tell somebody else, they're like, no, there's no way,
370.